Welcome. Thanks very much for coming. I'm Paul Z. Jackson. Take a minute each just to connect and share the item that you chose that you have an emotional resonance with. Improvisation is a skill that we all have and we all do every day. After all, life is not scripted and we have to deal with the things that come to us unexpectedly. Happiness. There's a really nice connection between resilience and the ideas of happiness that we find in positive psychology. Are you ready together? Yeah. Creative. Improvisation is a practical expression of systems thinking. This is the ability of our minds to stay active, healthy, and to work well. The next step was realizing that these were not just skills for the stage, but skills for life. Thank you very much indeed.